Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Philips all-in-one trimmer, so 5000 series. As you can see here, it's showing one tool advanced styling for face, hair and body. So we have these tools. I'm not really sure why it is called 11-in-1, but we can see when we open this one. Okay, this side you can see this different usage. And also using the nose. Okay, so I'll open this now. Like this. Okay, nothing else inside. So I have some papers like a documentation. So what's included in the box and some instructions. Then it comes with a pouch. Then here are the different attachments. So they said 11-in-1. Probably you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably this one, 9, 10, 11. Probably that's it. And with the charger. So I'll show you this one. So it comes with the blade already. Try to turn this on. So it's turning on right away. But there's no display. Even this is the charging port. So this is the current attachment with the cleaner. This is for small one. This one is like a foil. This is for nose trimmer. And the different lengths. And also different lengths. As well. Okay, so but to remove this one, probably just push this one. Then you can just change with something else. Let's try one. Maybe the foil shaver. Try to put this one here. Not really sure how to do this yet. Probably like this. Yeah. And this foil shaver. Then to remove like that. So it's very easy to put this back. Lock this one purse in place, then push. So that's it. Then you can just attach the for example want a different length, so you just attach this one here. Yeah, okay. Then with some length adjustment, you can see it's going in and out. It's closer. Different lengths. To remove this one, just push. Okay, so that's it. Really nice and handy. Then you can use the charger in this port. Okay, that's it. This is Philips 11-1 all-in-one 5000 series shaver. Thank you for watching.